Hey, so I just thought I'd make this quick video on this Nukeproof headset that I bought from Chain Reaction Cycles. When I was looking to buy one, I couldn't see any videos on this on YouTube, so I just thought I'd make a quick video. So it's Nukeproof Neutron. It's for a 4456 internal headset. For tapered head tubes as well, tapered steerers. I'm actually really impressed with this headset. I've already installed one on a bike of mine. This is going on an e-bike. This e-bike that I've got it's got like, I think, plastic cups, and it's got loose ball bearings inside, which I don't think is very good for a heavy bike. So I bought this. This was only $7.99 in the sale. I thought that's absolutely ridiculous value. So yeah, I'll just show you what you get for your money, really. So you pull this out, and it's all metal, all full seal bearings. So there's a top cap, the bearing central thing with like a rubber seal on it, which is good, that most headsets don't come with, and bearing inside. And you've also got the crown race for the bottom, which is split, so it's really easy to install. And of course, if I can get it out, the bearing, and also a little shield. So I think for $7.99 you can't go wrong for that. So I'll just get my bike up on the stand and I'll get it out. Headset's now apart. As you can see, caged bearings there. This is a plastic top cap, which I don't know, I think that's just a bit naff when you're spending £1,000 on a bike. Yeah, metal cups. Obviously, they're not plastic because the bearings need to run around on something. I had a Cube city bike, hybrid bike, touring bike, and they had seal bearings, but they were in like a nylon cup, and you were constantly having to readjust them. Because I think the impacts just maybe like compress the nylon a bit like over time, and you're having to constantly preload the headset back down again to get rid of any play. Just absolutely rubbish. I mean, I fitted a FSA like full metal headset back in there, and it's been absolutely spot on 8 months later. So yeah, just get rid of this cheap crap, and you know, you'll have absolutely no problems. So what I need to do now, I need to just tap these out. I've got like a straight through hammer. I mean screwdriver thing. So I'll just loosely tap round the bottom and the top, very gently. Try and get those out. I've got to get the crown race off this. Same idea. Just get like a flathead in there, pry it off. It'll be hard, but you'll get there. Right, the cups are out. Very simple actually. Not much tapping required. Crown race is off. Now it's time to clean the head tube. Put some nice fresh grease in there and use my headset press. I mean, you probably could do it without it, but this makes it a lot easier. So I'll get that set up now. Oh, terrible. This is probably what you'll want to watch. This is the fun part. So we're going to put in the lower cup. Got it all set up nicely, no play in there. So just going to press it in. Yep. Can't go any further, that's it, fully pressed in. Now for the top one. Sorry, the angle is absolutely terrible for the last one, but we'll try this again. So just put the top cap in. This is only a cheap press. I got it for China for like £10, and it does the job remarkably well. I mean, I used to do this when I was younger with threaded bits of rod and like bits of MDF. I mean, it worked, but not as well as this. There you go, that's seated. Going to grease the bearings up just to stop them corroding more than anything. I mean, these might be stainless steel, I have no idea. $7.99, probably not. Bit of grease doesn't harm anyone. Make sure they're fully in there. Yep. Spot on. Bit of grease on the fork steerer. And then slide this off. I like to put the split at the front because my theory is, I mean, it probably makes no difference, but any water's coming up is from the back. You don't want it to get in. I don't know if that makes any difference, but it's what I like to do. So that's all the way on. Some grease around the crown. Race. Beautiful. And I think I'll clean all that up afterwards. Just slide this bad boy in. Beautiful. Now I need to put these things on. I'm an idiot, I forgot to put the seal on underneath the bottom bearing. Well, that's that. Put the centering thing on. Lovely. Top cap. And now I think because the top cap was smaller, yeah, gonna need another spacer. Oh my god. So I've only got a silver one to hand at the moment. I can change that another time. Perfect. Now the top cap. It does come with one, but I'm just going to reuse the one that the bike came with. What size was that? 5mm? Beautiful. Absolutely spot on. Well, that's it all back together. I think we can all agree that that's a big upgrade over the standard headset that came with. I really don't know why they insist on shipping these bikes out with plastic crap. I mean, this wasn't as bad as the Cube one. I mean, at least this had metal cuts, but who wants to be running a multi-thousand-pound mountain bike on trails with ball bearings in 2023? Not me. So, I mean, $7.99, it can't go wrong. It's on sale at the moment, Chain Reaction Cycles. If you want one, go get one. I really recommend it.